all, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech with Gauri. Today we are going to see the installation steps of Python with the OpenCV. But before that we will going to see what is OpenCV. So OpenCV stands for Open Source Computer Vision Library. It is open source computer vision and machine learning software library. Initially it was developed by Intel, now it is supported by the OpenCV, which is written in a C or C++ with a binding with a Python and Java. The first it was released in 2000. Then OpenCV, why OpenCV is used? What are different applications of that? Okay, this is computer vision. So that is used for the image processing, video processing, object detection, video analysis, as well as in a machine learning. So we will going to see the few applications of that. So what are different applications of OpenCV? Face detection and recognition, object tracking, gesture recognition, augmented reality, medical imaging, self-driving cars and surveillance system. These are the some applications of the OpenCV. Then we will going to see the main thing in this video, that steps to install Python and the OpenCV. So first step is that to install the Python. So how you install that Python? You need to download that Python from the official website of Python. So here I have given the link to download the Python. So click on that. Wait for a few minutes. You can see here, or either you can copy that link. Okay. So you can see here the Python website. The latest version is Python 3.13.5. You click on that. So you can see here the downloading of the Python is in a progress. So after downloading, you can see here the downloading is done. Then click on that. Do you want to run this file? Then run this file. Then second step is installation of Python. So I click on the box add Python exe to path and then install now. The installation is in progress. So you can see here the Python version is the 3.13.5 that is installing. After the installation is completed, you can see here the setup was successful. So we will wait for a few minutes. Now in this window you can see here setup was successful. Then we will close this window. Then here we have installed the Python, but we need to cross check that, or we have to verify that installation. So to verify the installation, what we need to do? We need to open the command prompt. We can open with the press win plus R, type cmd or press enter. After the opening the command prompt, we have to type on that command prompt Python space dash version. So it will show you the Python which version is installed. So we will go on a cmd. I'm going to type the cmd command prompt get open. Then what we have to write down here at Python space dash dash version and enter. So you can see here the Python with the version 3.13.5 is installed. As our verification is done, Python is successfully installed. Then next we have to install the OpenCV. That how you install this OpenCV, that we will going to see here. To install the OpenCV, again we need to open the command prompt. Okay. Then install OpenCV using pipe command. Type, and that pipe command is pip install OpenCV-Python. Or if you need some extra features of OpenCV, then you can install by this command pipe install OpenCV-contribute-Python. So here we are going to install the simple one version of OpenCV. So I am going to type pip install OpenCV dash. So I have typed this command and then I am going to enter. So you can see here installation gets started, and here you can see the successfully installed OpenCV Python with the version 4.11.0.86. Okay, so we have installed this OpenCV. Then again we are going to see the verification of OpenCV installation. Is this get installed properly or not? For that we need to open ideally in a search menu, and from that we go in a new file and then we type the code import cv2 and then print OpenCV version cv2 dot dash version dash. Okay, and then we will going to run this code. If output of this code we will get the print of the version of that OpenCV, then we see that the OpenCV is installed properly. So we will going to see, we are going to verify the OpenCV installation. So I have typed in a search box ideally. This will going to open, take few minutes. Ideally shell is open. Then here in the file we are going to open the new file. In this new file we are going to type the code. I'm going to paste. You can type or you can paste. And I need to firstly save this code. I will save it one. I will directly get save with the Python 1.5, and then I'm going to press the F5 to run that code either, or you can write down or you can run directly from the menu bar. So run this module. After running, this shall get open and you can see here the output OpenCV version 4.11.0. Means what this verifies that our OpenCV is installed successfully. Okay, so these are the steps for installation of Python with the OpenCV. Thank you.